Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to print drawings on A3 and A4 size paper. Printing drawings correctly in AutoCAD is just as important as creating the drawing itself. A technically accurate drawing can still become unusable if the print settings are wrong, especially when paper size, scale, orientation, or plotting area are configured incorrectly. That's why understanding AutoCAD's plotting system is a critical drafting skill. In AutoCAD, printing is usually called plotting. Why it's called plotting? Historically, large technical drawings were produced using plotter machines rather than regular printers. Even today, AutoCAD still uses the term plot instead of print. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing you want to print. Now press Ctrl+P on the keyboard. This opens the Plot Settings or Print Settings window. What the plot window controls. This section manages printer selection, paper size, plot area, scale, orientation, and preview settings. Next, choose the printer you want to use. Make sure the printer actually supports A3 and A4 paper, because not all printers can handle larger paper formats like A3. If the printer does not support the selected paper size, the print may fail, the drawing may be cropped, and scaling may become incorrect. Now choose the paper size. For example, in our workflow we selected A4. Paper size determines available printable area, scale limitations, and layout proportions. Locate the What to Plot drop-down menu. Select Window. What window means? The window option lets you manually select a specific area of the drawing to print. Instead of printing the entire workspace, you can focus only on the important section, the finished drawing area, and the layout you want displayed. After choosing Window, AutoCAD asks you to define the plotting area. Now select the specific portion of the drawing you want printed. Only the selected window area will appear in the final print. Now configure the plot scale. Plot scale controls how the drawing size relates to the paper size. Two common options. You can choose Fit to Paper or a custom scale. Fit to Paper automatically scales the selected drawing area to fit inside the printable page, while a custom scale allows precise controls such as 1:1, 1:50, 1:100, and 1:200. Now select the orientation. In our example, we selected Portrait. Portrait orientation is vertical. Landscape orientation is horizontal. Correct orientation prevents cropping, wasted paper space, and misaligned layouts. Now click Preview. Preview helps verify scale accuracy, cropping, alignment, orientation, and printable area. Important clarification. Always preview before printing because small setting mistakes can ruin technical prints. Once everything looks correct, click OK to begin printing. What you just did, you configured plotting settings, selected paper size, defined the printable area, adjusted scale and orientation, and prepared the drawing for professional printing. You transformed a digital CAD drawing into a properly formatted printable technical document. To summarize, printing drawings on A3 or A4 paper in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and pressing Ctrl+P to open the plot settings window. After selecting a printer that supports A3 and A4 sizes, you choose the desired paper size, such as A4. Under the What to Plot dropdown, selecting Window allows you to manually choose the specific part of the drawing you want printed. You can then configure the plot scale either by fitting the drawing to the paper or by using a custom scale. Choose the drawing orientation such as portrait, preview the final output, and finally click OK to print the drawing. And that's how to print drawings on A3 and A4 paper in AutoCAD. The biggest thing beginners underestimate is plotting scale, because even a perfectly drawn CAD file can become useless if it's printed at the wrong scale or cropped incorrectly. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.